Did you ruin dinner? Again?
Hello and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. Today we're going to make almond butter. Now to make almond butter you only need two things. You need almonds and a really strong blender. And I just happen to have both. So what you need to do, dump in some almonds. I didn't even measure. Snap your lid back on and turn it on. Yes, it's going to be noisy, but it's okay. Here we go. Now the first time I did this, I didn't think it would work. So right now, we have crumbles. But just watch what happens. All I did was turn the speed up a little bit. And if you're patient, it will eventually liquefy. You don't have to add anything. It's getting there. Now, I've got to push everything back down into the blade because it threw everything up against the side. But it is starting out to be a little chunky in there now because of the moisture that's being sapped out of those almonds. I think I'm going to go ahead and add some more almonds because it's not quite enough in there. All right, here we go. And yeah, looks like I'm going to have to play with it a little bit. And there we go, believe it or not. And I mean, believe it or not. See that? Try not to make a mess. I said try not to. I didn't say not make one. Dip some out. And there we go. Almond butter. And you're wondering, what can I do with that? Anything you could do with peanut butter, actually. Make an almond butter and jelly sandwich if you like. I kind of like putting this into chili as a filler, believe it or not. So anyway, this has been almond butter. If you like this, please like and subscribe and click on my little face wherever I decide to put it. and we'll see you next time.